My favorite Pixel game was Curse of Monkey Island.
Zelda. Zombies ate my neighbors.
My favorite old game is probably Super Mario, but how I can play it again? Hello everyone, I'm Lander, welcome to Open Source Geeks. I made a video about Raspberry Pi before and how it can be a portable computer. Recently, I was looking for some ideas of new videos. So basically, your portable computer can also be a portable game console. What you will need to set it up is a controller, your Raspberry Pi, and a USB stick, and of course, a computer that works. Search RetroPie, you will easily find the official website. Get RetroPie button. Download the mirror file version based on the Raspberry Pi that you have. Then use Win32disk imager. Select the TF card right in the ISO. Create a new folder in the USB stick. Name it as RetroPie. Connect it to a HDMI screen. Plug in the controller, USB stick. So we need to hold some button to have the whole system understand what controller we have. And now it's time to set up based on what they say, and you can hold the key long enough to skip the button that you don't have. Remember to make sure you set up for the hotkey. Since we already plugged in the USB when we set it up, now what we need to do is plug it back into our Windows computer and copy the ROM file that we already have. Now we have plugged the USB back into the Raspberry Pi, and let's restart the whole thing. Now you can see there's one game there, but for the legal reason I'm not gonna play it. But this is how you set it up. Okay, this is this episode of Open Source Geeks. If you like this video, hit like and share with your friends. If you want to know more about technology stuff, then follow us up here. And if you haven't seen our video from last time about how to set up a Raspberry Pi, and you can find the link to the other video in the comment area. So see you guys next time. Bye!